Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021-2022 range from Italian manufacturer Rimor. This is the Seal 67 Plus. It's under 6.5 meters in length, and let's go inside. It's got a fridge, 141 liters, 120 horsepower, 2.2 liter Fiat Ducato engine. And we've got this rather flash looking seating arrangement. There's plenty of seats in here. Can't complain a lack of seating in here. But what's at the back? Well, there's the toilet, there's the shower, and here we have a rather large storage area. Wardrobe sort of thing. It's almost a walk-in one. Not quite, because you'd have to step up to the top there. So, but pretty good here. 6.5 meters, bear in mind, and you got all this storage at the back. And for those things that can go below, we've also got quite a lot of storage below as well for a 6.5 meter van. I mean, you might get 2 bicycles in there. Well, we'll have a go at that from the outside if it's open, and it may not. It may well not be. Mind you, the plug holes, drainage hole I should say, is not very large. But okay, having said all that, let's come back to the main feature, which is this enormous lounge. And let's face it, that really is big. Now, as I understand it, you can make a bed below, and you got this one up here as well. Let's see, will it come down? It's clear. And I'll release this. This thing here is to stop the curtains sort of getting stuck behind. I'll take it down a little bit further. Oh, you know what happened? It's not. The cushions have to come out here and on the other side as well. But even so, even if it's at that height, you can see it's still got quite a lot of space, and it will go down further should that be required. With most vehicles, you do actually have to remove the cushions. So there you see the bed in this position. What are these things here for? The point of those things is for the nets. So there's a net, goes up like that, and that holds that in place. Stops you falling out. There's a ladder as well. So what do you think of that then? Nice or waste of time? One of them. I wonder what they do. Oh, that does work. So I can see what that does. Let's put it back up again. Are you watching? You can see the strain on the battery a little bit, and the light went a little bit dimmer as it was going up. Anyway, look at all this space you got here. And I think this chair is quite good, really. Oh, nice sofa. Oh, and it's nice and hard as well. This thing here will come up if I can lift it. That gives that an enormous table. Don't know if you can see that. That's quite good. And I quite like this one. I mean, I wouldn't normally go for a Rimor, but this has got something to it. And maybe it's this large sort of living area here. Sort of sit here and enjoy myself. The bathroom's good. And I think I'm just about to get kicked out of here right now. So what I normally like to do in a case like this is to show you around but maybe today we're not going to see any other vans in this video. But I'll take you around the outside though of some of them. Okay, there's a fridge, pretty standard. Thetford. Shurio water pump. Mine actually, I had a Shurio water pump, and there you go. Most sorry, Showflow water pump, not Shurio, Showflow, and mine burnt out, and I got a cheap one. So that was €100 for 120 euros, something like that. Then I got a cheap one. There was one there for about €7. But I really splashed out, and I got one about €30, and it's not as good as the Showflow. Makes a lot more noise, but it does the job. Right, well, we can't get in the garage because it's closed there. Let's close this door if I can. Oh, bit of resistance there. See this? Magnets down there. Good idea. Lots of people don't like these sort of plastic sort of catches, which after a while wear out. Anyway, good. So let's see what else we've got here. Well, we'll have to see this in another video, but we'll walk around the outside right now. We'll walk around the stand. Everybody's cleared off just about, and which is a pity, but it's now around 7 o'clock, so that's the reason why. Now, one thing I've just done, I mean, I realise that this fair will be long over by the time this goes up, but as from now, I'll try and do a live broadcast every day during the fair. That's what I'm thinking of doing anyway. So, I think that's it, and so I'll take you back over to this one here, Rimor 22. It's not the Rimor 22, that means it's Rimor 2022 range. It might look like the 1922 range, but it's the 2022 range. But hey, what I will do though is I'll point out this. This is the new logo, the new branding for Fiat on the new 2021, or was it 2022 Ducato. So that's what it looks like. I attended the sort of, I don't know if it's the launch of it, because it's obviously been launched of these vehicles have been built, but so that's what how Fiat has rebranded itself, or the Fiat Ducato has rebranded itself. Anyway, good. Thanks very much for watching, and regards from Düsseldorf.